My name is Charlotte, and this is a documentary for the music video project. Enjoy.
Ain't too sure what I believe in, but I believe in what I see. And when I close my eyes, I see my whole life ahead of me.
These are ours.
This is our time.
These are ours. Out on the verge, out on the verge of the rest of our lives.
Do you believe in endless miracles? Do you believe?
My name is Henry Wilson, and my passion is filmmaking.
My name is Eva, and I am a ballet dancer. And I also enjoy telling stories to my toys and to myself.
Hi, my name's Jordan, and I'm 20 years old. I want to be an acting career.
But I also enjoy sometimes singing and sometimes playing an instrument like the piano and so on, as well. Which is one of the reasons why I decided to come into this project.
I do sing, but I do it in my room privately, because I'm not very confident doing it in front of people. I get kind of shy, so hopefully I can open myself up and start singing more.
I did the Shakespeare project, which was a lot of fun and really just gave me some kind of purpose, because it's sometimes, really hard to find jobs in the area of film.
So, we want to know about everything. If everyone you singing was good. So it's good.
My name is Elias, and I came on the music video project for two main reasons. One is that I really like playing piano and keyboard, and I often sort of tinker around on my keyboard. And also, I've got a really good singing voice. It's quite soft though, but yeah. And then the other reason is I hear that there's filmmaking in this project, and also with audio as well. Hopefully I can put that to good use. It actually leads somewhere.
Having confidence in your voice, this is a big thing that everyone has problems with when they're starting out. But once you get confidence in singing with your voice without anything else, your world changes.
Yeah.
It's great. But it takes help and everyone supporting you.
Okay, so my name's Jen. So what I want to get out of the project is singing experience, and I also haven't even heard of my singing voice before all of this. So so it would be all exciting to do all that. I'm singing, hearing my voice for the first time.
Each session that we come here, we start off by introducing ourselves, saying hello and our name, and then what we would like to get out of the project, what our hobbies and interests are with regards to this project, and something we really want to learn out of the project perhaps. And then we do a little exercise. We do two exercises actually. The first is Deo. So the group leader will pick a note on the piano, and we have to start at that note and sing Deo, 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 Deo. But then it gets harder because we increase with each pitch that the note goes up by. So then it's Deo, 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 Deo. And then the other exercise is we sing a song called The Wellerman, and this is just like practicing our singing voices.
The captain's mind was not of breed, and he belonged to the Wellerman's breed. He took that ship and tore.
I did actually sing a verse on the last session I was here. We had a little bit of a switch in the chorus. We changed a word, and that was to show that sometimes when you're creating your own songs and your own lyrics, it doesn't have to be like go in a specific way. You can sort of break it apart and fiddle around with it.
Hello, my name is Robert Kett, and my passion is singing and songwriting.
So in the first session was just kind of an intro to welcome us into the project and get us started, the rules and guidelines whilst we're here. That was the first night. The second night we actually got started on thinking up some of our favourite songs.
We all started looking for songs, individual songs that we could submit.
Yeah, and then third night we had our songs and we just sort of narrowed it down.
And then that got narrowed down from about 16 to 8.
We came up with some themes for what our music video could be like, and some locations around the area that were within ease of access.
8, and from those 8, we voted on the top 3.
We've narrowed it down to 3 songs, and we're going to be learning the lyrics to them and practicing our singing voices, so that will be really fun.
Initially, the song I submitted was Battle Hymn, but then I decided I'm going to write a song. You know what? I'm going to write a song based on the succulent Chinese meal video. First verse goes, "Let's cook up some noodles and then we'll fry some rice. Now we'll add some pineapple to make it extra nice. So let's add some broccoli and then we'll add some pork. And we'll add some garlic chicken 'cause it looks good on my fork."
So the 3 songs is They Live in You, that's in the Lion King movie. Dance the Night, which is by Dua Lipa, and that's in the Barbie movie. And then the third song is Verge by Owl City.
At first I didn't like the songs, but then when I realised I could play around with the harmonies, and I like them.
One of them is He Lives in You, which I reckon is a really, really good one, not because when you listen to the song, you hear like a whole choir singing it, but it actually tells a story.
They're watching over everything.
So on the website, like Organic Productions, there's a project page, and on that project page is the song sheets, or the sheets with the lyrics. There's also the backing tracks. For each song, there's 2 tracks. There's like what I call the full track with like full music, full singing. And then the backing track is with the instruments and some singing. And so what I did with my practice was I first of all sing like 2 or 3 times with the full recording, and then 2 or 3 times with the just the backing track. And so I'd go back to the full recording, backing track, full recording, backing track, until I was actually satisfied that I've got everything right.
Oh yeah, the backing tracks have been a great help for me to practice.
Everything we see.
My name's Izzy. This is the music video project.
Hi, I'm Alex Franklin. I am 16 and turning 17 in June. Well, I'm sitting in the recording studio, and today we all gathered together and recorded Verge.
So today we're at Chris's recording studio in Roleystone. So as with all the songs, we recorded all our different parts.
And then Rachel was in the corner. And Jane was conducting. And then within that we did, I think it was 2 rough takes and then 3 solid takes. And then through that, Rachel did her bits as well. And then we had Elias come in and do the piano today, I think it was, or last week. And then we also had some of the others come in and we did like a massive group melody harmony thing for the chorus. And then we had some others come in and do the oohs and the ahs, which was Jen and Henry who did their bits.
And what I did today is that I used a rain stick that has thousands of rice in it. You can use it for many different things. Yes, right here. And if you tilt it the other way, slowly or fast, see? Yeah, it goes like that. Another trick that I learned is that still tilted, but not all the way. But you can do some sort of mini little turn this way, and then this way, and then you keep going until it stops.
I'm leading the song They Live in You, which is from the movie The Lion King, and really getting into that element of being this storyteller. This storyteller has been great for me.
Have faith. They live in you. They live in me.
How did you find that process of having to sing into the microphone and all that pressure?
Yeah, it's a little bit tiring. But I know it's worth it. But yeah, I've enjoyed. I made some new friends. Got Izzy, got Charlotte, got Rachel. So I enjoy making new friends at the Spectrum space. And you're my friend too, Chris. And you, Jane. You're also my friend. Yeah, I think you guys are really funny and really fun to be around.
Well, I found the recording experience pretty cool. It really did give me the experience of like being in a professional recording studio.
And so I've actually really enjoyed the experience, like wearing the headphones, listening to the music, also being conducted by Jane.
And I've really enjoyed just learning how to use the studio and things, because it's not a studio that I've been in before, because I've been in one with a glass setup. So it was nice to be in an open setup.
Yes, I've had great fun recording with Chris and Jane in the studio.
Throughout the day we went through the choreography, which was done by Charlotte.
With the Verge dance choreography, I came up with the idea back when we were starting out, and I kept hearing the song Verge over and over and over again in my bedroom when I'm actually lying down and shaking my head. And during that, I've been coming up with some dance ideas when I'm asleep or not, using my dream void. So with my dream void, I try to piece together some of my dreams every day to get ideas.
From now on, there's no looking back.
So Chris showed us some illustrations that he had drawn for various videos, like They Live in You and The Verge, and other people chimed in with their ideas of what the music video could look like, also pictures of locations, which are amazing. And I showed some of my own scribbles, and that was really good. They Live in You presents the story of a pilgrimage. The Verge is about friends hanging out, and Dance the Night is a big dance party.
It's going really well, and I like that everyone's getting a fair shot and being able to
put their creative input, but not stepping over anyone, so that everyone gets a fair chance to sing and be involved. So you don't have one vocal lead. Everyone is kind of like a leader, whether it's with the filming or the singing or the costuming. Everyone's helped out in some way, shape or form.
Hi, Barbie.
Hi, Ken.
Do you want to go for a ride?
Sure, Ken.
Jump in.
Oh yes, I'm loving every... I came here first night not knowing what to expect or how this is even gonna... It sounds like too big of a deal to even you know. But then when I met you guys and you guys explained it all to us, I feel a lot more sort of relaxed knowing we're just jilting this ditty by faith. You know, I still don't know what to expect or what's going to happen out of this, but I'm just pushing through it by faith. That's all it is. Mm-hmm.
It is a big journey, and I'm normally very shy. I normally don't let anybody listen to my singing. I keep it secret and locked away inside of me. Yes, it's literally changing me somehow. Well, not completely, but changing me a little bit. I do feel braver.
Wild. Really something else altogether. I mean, standing in a studio in front of a mic and really just hammering songs out has been great fun. This is what I hope to do with my life.
I just want to thank you from everyone who've got this singing lessons. So I hope you enjoy, and it's great to see you.
Even when the tears are flowing, they're diamonds on my face. I'll still keep the party going, not one hit out of place.
Watch me dance, dance the night away. My heart could be burning, but you see it on my face. Watch me dance, dance the night away. I'll still keep the party